In this tutorial, we will investigate resonant orbits, and the example we are going to choose is to find out, are there resonances between several of Saturn's moons. So the first one is Dione or Tethys. And we are going to see if they have integer resonances with the moon Enceladus. So we'd like to search for integer resonances between Dione or Tethys and the moon Enceladus. Okay, so we'll make a table of, we need to know the periods of the moon orbits. So the moons we'll just list by their first letter. So Enceladus has a period in hours of 33 hours. Tethys has a period of 45 hours. And Dione has a period of 66 hours. So we're going to compare the ratio of orbits. So the period of Tethys compared to the period of Enceladus, and that gives us 45 hours divided by 33 hours. And if you put those numbers into your calculator, you see that the result is 1.36. And so this is not an integer, and so it's not an integer resonance. Okay, so for the next moon, we'll again do this ratio of periods. So the period of Dione compared to the period of Enceladus, in this case, is 66 hours divided by 33 hours. And in this case, the ratio is an integer 2. So this means there's a 2-to-1, which is often written 2:1, a 2-to-1 integer resonance. And that means that for every 2 orbits of Enceladus, there will be exactly 1 orbit of Dione.